Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, you're highly welcome. So today we are doing eyeshadow do's and don'ts. So many people in my Facebook group have been asking how to apply eyeshadow, which way, which other way. So I'll be showing you the basic, the fundamental way. I know that there are different ways of doing makeup and applying eyeshadow, but I'm going to share with you a rule, fundamental rule that will apply to any method you want. So if you are not hit the subscribe button, do well to hit the subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Let's go straight. So I think I'll take the right side as they do and the left side as they don't. So the fundamental way of applying eyeshadow is to put in an eyeshadow primer or a concealer, because it helps the eyeshadow to pop more, like the pigment will really show. And some of us that have dark circles and discoloration in this our eye area, it will help cover it up. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and a little, guys, goes a long way. You don't need to pack so much, you just need a little. I'm blending it with a damp beauty sponge. You can blend it out with your finger, with a brush if you have. So this is, I've applied a concealer here. Yeah, I did not. You guys can see the difference now. When it comes to eyeshadow, I know that some beginners don't know which one is matte, which one is shimmer. The matte ones are these powdery ones. These ones that are powdery. And the shimmer is this one that have shine to them, that are like glitters or they have shine. Look at them here. These are the shimmer. Just note that the matte one is the powdered one. The shimmer one is the one that have glitters to them. Like, see it in my hand, it's already shining. That is the glitter. When applying your transition color, if you have a dark skin as I am, burnt orange is always very fine for transition. You can use brown too, but burnt orange is very. Using a fluffy brush. See, the brush is very fluffy, and I'll hold the brush like this, not like this. Like this, it won't apply well. There will be patches in some places, so you use here and make it, you do it very, you don't apply pressure to it. You do it in a circular motion or in a windshield motion. And when you're applying, if you hold the middle like this, you look down, do like this, then apply. You can use a windshield motion or use a circular motion. Any ones are good for you. For me, I like combining the both. There are some places I use windshield motion like this. So some places I use a circular motion. Any one that works for you. For the don't side, I will still use the orange, the burnt orange, but I'll hold it very close and apply. And I'll be applying pressure to it too. I will not use the windshield motion or any other. You guys can see the difference, right? Another unwritten rule is you use darker shade for your outer V, because it helps bring depth into the eyes. And you should not apply at the beginning. You should build it up. You should not just go with so much. And I've changed the brush. It's still a fluffy brush, but not as fluffy as the other one. To just concentrate it in your V, your outer V. You build it up. And don't forget to tap. I didn't show you guys the tapping one. The one that's remaining in the brush, you use it in a windshield motion towards the front, like to create depth in the crease. I have there. If you want to wring it out, you can do it like this. For the don't side, I've seen a lot of people, I used to do this too, using shimmer shade to deepen the crease, which is a no-no. It's still the same color, but this one is shimmer. I'll show you what it looks like. Still the same shade. I don't even know how to apply, not to. You will now even bring it up here. See? So have you guys seen? See? This one is shimmer. This one is matte, but still the same color. On the right side, we still want depth, but we are building it up gradually. So I'm going in with a deeper shade. This one is black, almost black. I'll just apply it just in this my outer V. And guys, black eyeshadows are usually very more difficult to blend than every other color. Just apply it just here. So I say don't go in at once with the black, because it will give you easier to blend out. It's still looking very harsh, but we'll sort it out later. Just there. You don't carry it inward anymore, because you just want to create depth in this our outer area. Go back in with that second transition color, the one we used to start creating depth, to blend it on top of this black. See how I'm keeping my hand? And we are doing it gently, because we don't want to carry it up, but we still want it blended. So we are softening the look with the brown shade, the brown one we used before. See how it's already softened? It's not looking as harsh as before. You should take your time while blending. Blend as much as you can. Don't be shy. Spend a lot of time blending it in. With our first transition color, the orange, you tap it out. Put it like this. You look down, down. Then you stretch your eye and blend the upside. See, I'm stretching my eyes out. Now blended everything. I've blended everything now. The don't side, we still go in with the black. That is a shimmer, the shimmer shade of black. Then I'll now just put it in, drag it all the way down to my crease area, down to my my outer crease. It's the same colors that I'm using, but because it's a different method, so we'll now bring it all up. Some people now bring it all up here. So using that wide field motion, is why it's always advisable to use matte, because shimmer are more difficult to blend out. Applying your shimmer in your crease area on the right side, you should use a flat brush. Flat brush are more easy to use when you are applying, for beginners, when you are applying on your outer crease. You still look down, start taking the shimmer shade, tap out the excess, you look down and just follow your cut crease. You know, the cut crease is where your eyeballs, the line that your eyeballs make, that is your crease area. I don't want to cut my crease today because, like I said, this is actually a very basic eyeshadow do's and don'ts, so I'll not cut my crease. And it's usually good when you are dealing with, we are using shimmer for just here, not like we did in the don't side. You tap tap tap. You should not drag it, because if you drag, you won't have enough pigmentation. You tap. See, you've cut your crease without cutting your crease. Don't side, I'll still do that, but I think I should not use a flat brush. I should use this kind of brush. Some people don't actually care the kind of brush they use, and I'll try to apply it. As you can see, it won't be as precise as the other eye. Go in with that second transition shade, the one I use to start to create depth in my eye, to blend this in, so that there will not be demarcation, to like continue one eyeshadow continue into the other. And I'm using the body of my brush for this, using this side, not this side, this side for this. I look towards this side, then I pat it in. After that, we apply our liner. And for beginners, it's always easy to look towards this side, draw a thin line, not too far, so that if there is mistake, you can actually adjust it to be easier to adjust. That side is big, then you thin out this side, you thin it out. Why I say you should not carry it out too much, because you can actually continue building it up to the shape you want. But for the don't side, we start here to make it big. When we are approaching here, we thin it out. And for the bottom lashes, when we say your waterline is this line here. This is your waterline. So the right way to apply, is it black, brown, beige, is to look down. And it will be very hard with a mirror stretch out your eye and just apply to the waterline. See, join it with your other one. I see continuation, very important. But for the don't side, we'll just close our eyes and do it anyhow we can. So you put this is not the waterline. For our bottom lash, we'll do basically what we did to the top one, but with a very smaller and precise brush. Smudge out our eye area with the brown, but sometimes I like experimenting with another color. I think I'll use the blue. So just below the waterline, just below. And you do this when you are finished applying your foundation, your concealer. I'm not applying because I'm not going to anywhere. I'm just doing this makeup and I can't go like this to anywhere. So if you want that same shade in your lower lash, you take a little bit and bring it down. Smaller blending brush to smudge the upper side. Or you can stop on the first one if you like. For this side, since we have extended the black, we can't do anything to it anymore. So just leave it like this. So I hope you have learned something from this do's and don'ts. You guys can see the do side is more blended, splendid than this side. This side looking very harsh, but we still use the same colors but different texture. Same color and different texture, same color, like. So I hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. So guys, till the next video, bye bye.